Hi everyone, welcome to day 15 of Vlogmas. I am back at work. It's Monday, so this is going to be a relatively quick recap on my stocking for today. I went with sort of reindeer colors. We've got brown and white on the toe and the heel, and of course on the cuff with the little hanging loop, and brown for the main stocking. So very reindeer-ish. Today's stocking is a little bit more holiday inspired. This could also be sort of gingerbread, maybe. That's what I went with for today. The yarn that I'm using to put into this stocking is this very small amount of orange. I found it in my stash yesterday as I was kind of getting ready for today, preparing myself mentally and with everything else. I found this. It's not very much, but it's okay because it's a scrappy little piece. So this is what I'm going to use for today's stocking. I have my very, very scrappy piece of tissue paper. And I am not winding this one up. We're just going to put it in as is. And there we go. You can see a little bit of the orange peeking out. Some of these I've realized I haven't wrapped them super well, and so there are some little bits of yarn that might not be such a mystery when I go to open these next year. That's okay. It will be fun regardless to have all of these stash yarns to open each day next year and make something, who knows what, but something scrappy. I have a couple ideas. I'm gonna write them down and I might stick them in the box where I keep all of these during the year, so I kind of remember my ideas and the projects that I'm thinking I might want to make with this scrappy yarn advent. It's super cold out today. I practically ran from the train to my office just to get out of the cold. I think it was like 1 degree when I left in the car this morning at about 6:20. It's now 7:30-ish, just got into work, and it's still cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. I have nothing else planned for today besides working, commuting, probably cook something when I get home, all of the usual stuff that we have to do. I did not make anything yesterday. So disappointed. I didn't even work on anything besides the stocking for the day. I got sidetracked with some other things. We're getting ready, my daughter and I, to leave at the end of the week, and so we're going to be gone for a day or two. So we're kind of trying to wrap things up, pack up. I don't know if I'll be able to film while we're on the road. I think I'll film some stuff, but I don't think I'll be able to film, edit, and upload as we're traveling because that's just way too much. I don't even know if I'll have time to crochet because we're driving, and when I'm not driving, I should probably be resting my eyes. And when I'm not in the passenger seat, I should be driving. So I don't think I will have very much time to crochet on the road, and that's okay. We will pick it up when I get back after. So on Friday this week, which is the 19th, and Saturday the 20th, I don't think I will have a daily Vlogmas, but I should be able to catch up Sunday or Monday at the latest and kind of give you a recap of those days' stockings as well as how the trip went. That is all that I have for you for Vlogmas Day 15. We have our brown and white gingerbread reindeer stocking. We've got yarn inside of it, some nice orange yarn. I'm going to put this, when I get home, I'm going to put this with the rest of them in our nice stash of stockings and get ready for Vlogmas tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.